ain't no shine. We be staying up all night, trying to work it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating this look, which is more of a natural smoky eye look with a red lip. This was requested by my coworker Janet. Janet, this one's for you, girlfriend. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. This is a super simple glam. Legitly only used 2 shadows, mostly one. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So today I'm actually going to be filming a quick, I don't know how quick this will be, honestly, a kind of like a red lip look. I did get this requested from Janet, so Janet, this one's for you. But yeah, I'm actually really happy to do this look. I've been wanting to do a red look in a while, but I haven't had the chance, so here it is. I'm presenting you with the red look today. I'm also going to be using some makeup that I used to use before, so yeah, hope you guys like this look, and let's get started. I am going to go in today with my Benefit Brow Contour Pro. Oh no, I think I just ran out. We will be using the deeper shade in the pen because it looks like I ran out, so I will be needing to refill. So yeah, how have you guys been? How did your weekend go? I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It's Monday today, or tomorrow. I had a family Sunday. Took my kids to the museum. Went to go run some errands. I just got this new camera, so let me know what you guys think of the quality. I think I really like it. I hope it doesn't overheat, because that's the reason I got it, because my Sony one kept overheating. Oh, so now I'm gonna go into the defining one. I'm just gonna go ahead and underline and take my handy dandy elf brush. This is more of a flat brush, so it'll kind of help me just clean up around it. So to set it, I'm going to use the 24-hour brow setter. Love it. Benefit. Then I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of the No Problem Prime Essence. I've actually been really liking. I'm going to apply some. Whoa. So now I'm going to go into the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. The highest points of my face. I'm going to use a new brush. This is the Face Buffer Brush by Makeup Geek. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. I am going to prime with the Anastasia Eye Primer. We are going to throw it back to the Anastasia Self-Made palette. First, we're going to go into Sherbert. And then we're going to go into Hot Chocolate. Now we're going to do that same motion one more time. So for the foundation, I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors foundation. I've actually really been loving this foundation. It looks so nice. So for concealer today, we're going to keep it a little bit light. We're going to go in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion. So with a brush like this one, I'm going to go in with the whatever foundation I had on the back of my hand still, and I'm actually going to like sharpen out the edges. I am going to set my under eye just the under eye with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. So we are going to go ahead and line the eyes. I'm going to go in with my fave Earthquake Liner by Marc Jacobs. And then we are going to go in with the eyeshadow palette again and go into Hot Chocolate and just lightly smoke out or add some eyeshadow to the lower lash line. Then we're gonna go in with a new favorite for me, which is the volumizing mascara by ColourPop, and this is actually in Brownie Points, so it is a brown mascara. Gonna go ahead and bronze with an oldie but a goodie, which is the Hoola Bronzer. Gen Nude That Peach Dough Blush. That looks so nice. So for highlight, I'm gonna go back to another oldie but goodie, which is the Makeup Geek and Kathleen Lights highlighting trio. I'm gonna go into Nightlight. Yes, Kathleen. Alrighty, so now we are going to finish off by setting, then we'll move on to the lips. For lip liner, we're gonna go into the Huda Beauty Contour Cheerleader. I am gonna go into now the Dose of Colors and the I Love Sarai collab, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Oh, this is Fresa, by the way. Alright, so that's the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell if you would like to receive notifications of when I will be uploading. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this super simple red lip glam, and yeah, see you guys on the next one.
It ain't working, we not gonna do it, but you got it, man.